Hello everyone.
In this video you have learnt about the creation of sprite. Today we will learn how to control the movement of sprite through mouse. Are you ready for it? Your sprite is moving in upward direction because I am using mouse command for it. Okay? Do you also want to create your own app? So be ready for it. First I am showing how I have written my code. Like this, reset and see changes. Okay, now I am going to create my own app for you. For that you have to take two sprites. First one is for background, reset. First one is for background, and second one is for sprite. I already have taken two sprite here. First one is alien and second one is stage 1. So I have to include these sprites in my program. Sprites, you can change its name also, like PACK back or whatever you like. I have written it back. This is sprite, this is my alien sprite. And this is background. Okay, now I have to call function draw because without it we cannot write down draw sprite here. Okay, we want to include mouse function also here. So from control I have taken if else statement. In if else statement we can pull from world mouse is over and mouse did move. Mouse did over, mouse is over, and second one is, so I have to show text it here because we want to include two statement. So I am writing and here, and mouse did move. Mouse did move. If this both statements are true, then position of my sprite will be changed. It will move in upward direction. So I am writing sprite dot y minus 10 is equal to minus 10, and in else statement I am writing sprite dot y plus 1. Now my program is complete. You can see how it is moving in upward and downward direction. I have to write down plus is equal to 1. Now it will move in downward direction. You like it? You learned a lot from here. We will learn more about sprite in our next video. Like, subscribe and this video. Thanks.